Hello everyone, welcome back. The today video is about how we can take the database backup. So someone suggested me to shoot the video on it, so how we can take the database backup. So I'm shooting this video, and if you have any topic which is unclear, so you can shoot this in the comments. I will make the video on it on my according to my schedule. So I am here to show you a simple spotty package which is used to take the database backup. So it's having a 4.8k rating on the GitHub repository, and there is 677 forks, right? So this is quite popular. So let's go to the documentation and install this package. So you need to copy this command and go to the go to your project directory and hit enter, and it's going to install this package for you, and it's throwing the error. What's the error for? Had requirement with your PHP version. So I'm using the latest version, that's why it's throwing this error. So let me go here and run it without any version, so it will suggest me the supportable version for me. So let's remove this version, hit enter, and it's going to install this package, and yes, it's installing. So let's go here and check that. You need to, next step, you need to register this if you are using the lower version of Laravel, like 5 or 4. So if you are using 6, 7 or 8, you don't need to register, because discovery package will automatically register this. Okay, and then you need to go to the next step. You need to publish this file, so you can change this in this file, right? So it's generating the files. Okay, let's wait for a moment to complete this process, and yes, now it's completed. So hit paste this command and hit enter and take eye on it, so it will publish this file. So I'm going to hit enter, and yes, it's copying the file, and let's take eye on it. So yes, it's published. Its publish is in the config backup.php file. Okay, let's find this backup, and yes, it's this one. So it's added this file, right? So you can change this, change your according to your requirements, right? So I'm not going to change this here. So let's go to the documentation and go to the next step. So it's printing this backup.php file. So you can make changes like your times and your some other stuff, like delete old backups and stuff like that. Sorry. So next step, you need to schedule your database backup. So how you can do this? So you need to get the scheduling, follow the Laravel scheduling. So let me go to the documentation. So documentation is, you need to create the first command, and then you need to execute this command, and here you need to make your changes. Which changes? You need to connect your database. So in my case, I connected this database. My database name is this, root is my username, and then password is nothing, and I opened this database here, right? So it's connected. So now the next step, you need to go to the your database.php file, and then you need to add this in your MySQL array. So let's go to the database.php file. So how I open this all files, how I can track in all files. So I enter Control P, and then I can find any file. Okay, and then here you need to add this. So let me copy this. After this driver, you need to add this stuff like this, and then you need to add a comma here. Okay, and then what is the next steps? You need to set up this binary path. So this is your MySQL path. I'm using the MySQL. So this one, your database path, you need to set your database path here. So let me set up my path. It's a C XAMPP. So let me copy this from this Stack Overflow link. So this will be very easy to copy this. Okay, copy and close this file and go back, and here you need to specify your path. Okay, oops, I misspelled it, not misspelled it. Oh great, it's C XAMPP MySQL and bin. So let me open this directory here, and it's this one, right? So don't be get confused, it's very simple, and then you don't need to do anything. So save this one. So let's go here, go to the top, and here you need to run your command. So what is the command? If you want to run the backup run, so you need to enter this command. So I created a new command, so where there is no need of this command, so there is a built-in command in this package, right? So we don't need to create the manual command. So let's go to the kernel.php file. Remember, you don't need to go to the http kernel. So we are going to console, and then in the console we have a kernel.file. So there is two kernel.php file in the Laravel project. The second one is there. So remember, you need to go to this console one, right? Here, open this kernel, and here you need to schedule your command. So I'm here to paste this command backup run, and then you can define your statement here. So I'm doing this for every minute, and then save this one. So how you can run these schedule commands? So there is a command of here you need to type php artisan schedule run. Okay, schedule, and hit run and hit enter, and it's going to it's now running this backup run, and it takes some time, and wait for a moment to complete this process, and yes, it's completed. So it's storing these backup file in the storage directory. So let me close this route directory, and in the route in the main directory here there is a storage directory, and in the storage directory there is a app directory, and it's creating this in the app backup temp file, right? So in my case it's not creating any SQL file. I don't know, there is some file permission issue or some others, but it's working. So let me show you that is it exactly working. Okay, so now the app directory is empty, right? So there is only public file and get ignore file. So here you need to run the schedule run command, so it will automatically run this backup clean, or you can also backup run. So these are commands which exist in this package which we installed. So you don't need to create manual stuff, right? So I will also show you the manual way, which is also good. Okay, so I will share this. So let's hit enter, and take eye on this storage directory, and it will create a directory of Laravel backups, and in the backups so it will create the files, but in my case it's not creating the files. Okay, directory is created, and yes, there is no backup file. So it will create in your case it will create backup file for you. If I create this, so it will create the file, and instantly this file will be hidden. Okay, so take eye on it, and no, it's not showing this. So previously it's showing the SQL file, and yes, SQL file is appeared, right? Oops, and then it's again disappeared. You saw this file. So there is another way you can also do this through manual process. You don't need to install the package. So I will shoot this in the next video, because this video is going bigger. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.